So next, we move to the elements of design. What are elements of design? These are the fundamental components that artists, designers, and creators use to organize structure and visual compositions. So these elements are like 7. You have line, shape, form, color, texture, space, and value. So these are the building blocks of artistic expression. So each element of design possesses unique characteristics and qualities that contribute to the overall visual impact and aesthetic feel of a composition. So the difference between the principles and elements of design is that the principles are the guidelines. On the other hand, the elements are the building blocks. So the elements are what is used in design, while the principles are the how and why behind their arrangement. So the first one is point. A point is just an abstract object which is not tangible, seen or be felt, does not have an area, and the point coordinates define it. Yeah, you can see the infographic down there. And if you have 2 points and join them, you'll have a line, which is the most basic element, can be straight, curved, or abstract. It can define shapes, create patterns, and guide the viewer's eye through the composition. Then we have the shape. Shape is a 2D and can be geometric, circles, squares, organic. Basically, if you have 4 points, draw them using a line, you can have a shape which is a square or a rectangle. Space refers to the area in and around the design element, can be positive, occupied by elements, or negative, which is white space, which we studied in the principles of design. We have form. Form are now 3D shapes, okay? And they add what we call depth and volume to the design, which can be represented through shading, shadows, and perspective. Color is a powerful element which evokes emotions and sets the mood of a design. It includes hue, which is the actual color, value, which is lightness or darkness, and saturation, which is intensity or purity. We have texture. Texture adds a tactile or visual quality to the design, creating the illusion of surfaces, which can be rough, smooth, or hard. So basically, those are the 7 elements of design.